Like, I was just a fan before. Now we go jail. Ay, yung pala yung jail. Kapay tao. Pit Senior! Guys, we have a question. What's... Oh, that's fresh juice. Guys, what's the Pit Senior sign?
What's the Pit Senior sign?
Guy said it's like this. She's so stupid. It's not ganyan, way. No, but Santo Niño was doing this. Can we do this?
Are we allowed to do this?
We're still in Cebu.
We're in Bay Hotel.
Stupid. Guys, don't to. Fireworks is lagi sa ko.
No, that's not true. Good morning. We're gonna go somewhere.
Hey, we're gonna go somewhere today.
We've always been talking about.
Hey, Ate Kiza. Oh, wait, I forgot how to pronounce her name.
Asa ba?
Tikija.
I think
From
it's Keisha.
Yeah, Keisha.
Do we have the same name?
Hi, Ate. Pretty tit. It's in your world.
Pretty tit. Guys, manood kayo ASAP.
Yeah.
It's not
Kyron.
fake. We just did it kanina. Just joking.
Ayos.
Watch kayo ASAP.
What did you sing there? Oh, lagi Keisha, lagi Ate Keisha.
Keisha.
Kasi your spelling is so crazy talaga, bro.
Hi, Ate Keisha.
Nagkita mo, did you talk to her sa Christmas?
Shout out Watcher. Is that the one?
Oh, shout out Watcher. Yeah.
Oh,
Shout out Watcher.
I love
Kasi palagi namin nagamit. You know sa badminton, like, nagkita kami ni Kai wearing the same Watcher shirt.
I called her. I was like, where are you now? Tapos, she's like, wait, can you back up? And we were wearing the same thing pala.
Yeah. Hindi yun, ano. Hello. You're spelling the sayang name, Gigimundo. Hello, you're so mean to your parents. Ate, naka Cebu. Hello.
It's his birthday.
Happy. What?
Even my gift.
What's the date?
It's still 19.
Okay.
Still, we don't have time. Yes, we're at Cebu. We're gonna go somewhere we've always wanted to go. We kept talking about this inside.
Thank you, Watcher, for giving us your jerseys kasi bro, we enjoyed it.
Yeah. I always wear it.
I always wear it. Like on our lazy days, babe.
Yeah. Ano wa man ka-Arin? I wonder. Anong kasi siya sa Iloilo?
Oo nga, no?
Anong ginawa ni, sa Iloilo? Anong ginawa ni Jaren?
Ay. Huh?
Ate Patch!
Oh!
Hey, don't say that.
Don't look at your ano. Oh, lagi.
What?
Makita. Like, mag-phone ka, makita. Eh, enjoy Cebu, ate.
Oh, wait. You can see?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Lagi, kita lagi. Oh! Thanks, bro. Thanks for the
Wow.
advice.
Just looking at Vice Ganda. So sexy.
Makita, Jud crazy ha. Hello! Bakit tapon yan? Bakit tapon yan?
Kasi the TikTok streak, we need to...
Hindi yung TikTok.
Wait, I really need to pop.
Bro, wag mo i-say sa live ko, bitch.
Sorry.
Sa mukha, or...
Kyron Asap.
Yeah, Kyron Asap, right? Ay, 12 pa pala. Watch kayo, guys, kasi... Asa inyo sa Cebu?
Mine is at...
Kanid dapit. Dili mag-straight ka niya, mag-right ka niya, mag-left.
Well, ako as from here, it's like straight. Tapos merong curve. So you just go like here, U-turn, unya mara ka like that, unya left, unya, tapos mo right ka.
Okay, enough ko na.
Kayo lang ba ngayon? Di po. Merong tao dito. Joram, shout out.
How's your SM yesterday, boy? Crazy kayo. It was so lami sa feeling.
Yeah, thank you for coming. For the people that wanted to take photos with me, that I chatted as well. I'm so sorry I couldn't stay. Kaya we really had to go kasi madaming tao sa SM. Pero thank you for coming. Hopefully we get to take more pictures together.
Yeah. Also, I wanna thank Reindeers for the pabanda sa airport, boy. Look, it was so nice. It was extra special pag-arrive namin.
I felt.
Why are you lagging, bro?
We felt Sinulog and the Cebu
in
right
airport.
away.
Kasi we went out the airport, tapos I saw people na, tapos biglang may boom.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, yung reindeers pala yun. So
I went like
thanks,
this good. I
reindeers.
went like
Yeah, I was from reindeers.
water daw rin.
Boy, you know,
I
I
said to the
don't do TikTok dances, tapos pinasayo ako ng water.
Did you know that the Kaimates, clutch ilahang kuan?
Yeah, I saw.
Thank
Good
you,
clutch,
Kaimates.
guys.
Good clutch. I loved it. Thank you so much.
The intros are so nice.
I saw the new intro.
Dinagyang, yeah, I'm going to. Are you going to Dinagyang? Yeah, we're going to Dinagyang.
You know what? I felt so happy yesterday because not only
Is it from us?
yeah. Wait,
Wala, it's different lang talaga. Wala, it's different lang talaga, like, being in your hometown.
Yeah.
I thought it was very calm, like, and, pero when I did it talagang, and also having your friends in the crowd.
Yeah, I'm not so happy for real. Like, I cannot explain it to words, but I was just so happy yesterday.
I was so happy.
Not only because we're at our hometown, but also andun yung Kaimates, yung Kairenites, yung JP Kai, yung Kai Rain homies. Andun sila lahat. Also, the reindeers were there, the homies were there. Like, everyone was there to support both of us. Like, legit, lahat. Everyone was there to support us. So, like, in our hometown, by the way. So, that's extra.
Yeah.
Extra.
Tapos, like, what we keep talking inside the house, kanang, her friend and my friends will collaborate.
Yeah.
It happened yesterday. It was so fun, man.
That's so crazy.
Nice meeting Yano and Janine. It's so fun.
Nice meeting the Clover friends.
Sinautot din pala Clover friends ko sa stage.
It was crazy kay...
Clover!
Oh, it was crazy kay... Diba Clover sa apat? But diba Rain went to PBB? Ako naman and Yana. We're a duo. But I went to...
Oh!
Sorry, my bad. My bad. Since duo me, I went to PBB. So now that they're in outside world, sila ang naging 4-leaf clover.
Lagi? Kami
yung naging duo. But yesterday, you guys have to watch my vlog.
Yeah, she was like,
You guys have to watch my
nag-joke lang siya, nag-start ng vlog yan, tapos dedicated na siya, so,
Yeah, na-dedicate na.
mag-show ka ng snip clip.
Snip clip.
Snip clip. Like, it's so fun, like, we were so ingay, kasi, vibe talaga yung si Yana at saka Clover friends ko, tapos, kaming lahat, And you know what's crazy? Yana and Rishi gonna look alike, tapos, Yana and I kinda sound alike.
So, ito ilang team songs? Cause God gave me.
Show me what's real. Para silang, kita niya yung Hershey and Yana met in Mura go FW couple boy. Like,
As if they already saw each other in real life. As if they already saw each other in real life.
Yeah, that was their first time. Dili ka ng... Katong shocking.
Hey, yo, that's the climax. Ay, they're going by.
God, we weren't able to take much videos. But her vlog is so...
Ito na lang.
Wala ka like may song naman.
Ang OA, nang naka-black.
Sorry, you know when I laugh with my Clover friends, I really go on the floor. Kasi ganyan kami mag-express ng laughter in the world. Paano ka mag-laugh? Okay, reflect by kay. We're showing you.
It's okay. Kay, ano naman ko idea? Wait, what am I gonna show you guys?
Ano naman you showed me?
Did you see the CC Life color? Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
It went purple.
It was purple.
And I was like, I miss our dinner.
Oh, shout out pala sa Gorgeous. Ano? What's your Gorgeous cap? Yeah, it's so cute. But it's my favorite cap at the moment. Look. Ayos yun.
Hindi po.
Bro, I wanna poo.
Ako din.
Please, do you wanna go poo with us?
No. 1, 10, 11. Ay, what?
Huh?
Mga 12. Let's see the question.
Ay, may questions ba?
What college program do you want to take in the nearest future? Go. Wala yung plan.
Business management.
Oh. Asap F ka ba today, Kai? Opo. No.
Hello. Jenny Kim?
Bob. Hello?
City of what?
My name is Kai.
Should I answer that?
My name is Kai.
I'll answer that.
What's your answer?
Bagay po ba si...
Can you stop? Naglechon na ba kayo? Yes. Loves the lechon here. Shout out Keisha Flies. Files. Kala ko you fly.
Oh, it's getting crazy, no? It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay, I'm back to you.
Is the love shot?
Wow.
Tinit, tit, tit, tit.
Oh, thank you. Okay, maganda pa po in person.
Yeah, super.
Oh, wow, scripted lagi pagka-answer.
What?
Yeah.
Okay,
super.
hindi.
Maganda ka ba in person?
Saw the videos of your show, Ate Pa. Ate Pat, why are you not here? Ate Pat, what not ka here? Sakay mo.
Flute. No! Float!
Funny yung flute. I love it.
Oh. Hi, Kuya Dylan! Oh. Hi, Mutya!
Hi, Matya.
Have you met Mutya?
Yeah. I mean, first time I met her kay Christmas special.
I told her we should go karting ba? Hi, Ate Vanette! Ate Vanette! We're saying hi. They're not even like talking to us now. Swimming to the...
At least we acknowledge their presence.
True. Rihanna.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cutie Cake.
Kiss daw. Both 8. Yeah, literally. We both
Say
8.
both. Don't say both 8. Ay, akala ko 8, like 7, 8.
Wala ba? Just follow her on Instagram.
No, hindi kami nagkita.
Shout out Rima. Shout out. Binigay ko sa'yo.
So you read that? Winnie Lot? Flying Kiss if you love you.
Sana. Huh? Why would you do that? I don't know. I don't know.
From the pale.
Shout out Liza. Soberano.
No, it was Tyler's birthday yesterday, guys. Pero I wasn't able to go. Happy birthday, Tyler. I'm sorry.
Hello from Indonesia.
Hello, Indonesia. It's in you, everyone. Can you hear the background?
What's the sinulog sign? Diba it's like this?
Shut up, please.
Do it.
This is not a Silulog sign.
It is.
You're like teaching the... Fave music. Guys.
My favorite
Ew, did you
music
just fart?
at the moment is...
Wala, bahuan yung mag-fart.
I did not fart! Si Joro!
Mayo kayo masaya og-water si Kai. Of course, she does it every day.
Have you guys seen Rain do it? If you guys... no, so that she can do it right now.
I don't even dance TikTok dances alone, tapos pinawater ako. Crazy talaga.
My favorite song at the moment. What?
Is that what you said?
No!
Oh.
Josh. And ito.
Hey. Ooh! Shout out Zeke.
So yeah, represent.
Shout out Zeke. He's giving Danya so early.
And this.
Oh. This one also too.
Also this. I actually love the song.
Hey guys, yan yung jam namin sa core. We should play it. No, the Clover friends had to leave early yesterday. Wow, sa account ko.
I did that last time, and then my Instagram live just went off. I asked them if I could, then they told me I could, so I continued. And then share Spotify playlist. No.
Bawal kasi. Oh, meron din ako niyan.
Sorry, nasanay po sa TikTok live.
Sorry. We don't have bird.
No parade.
Maybe we'll go somewhere.
We're gonna go somewhere special. Something we've always been talking about inside the house.
Galing mo to.
They don't know it. Yeah.
Bro, I know why. My TikTok is so shadow banned. Like, call yan.
Wait.
Listen. Guys, yan na nag-vibe actually.
I knew that ever since. Sabi
Like,
ko,
our voices are so alike, it's so weird. Oh my god, actually got scared. Like, you know the Lazada ni Kai? And then Yana was the one on the call. It also made me question if I did a recording for Kai. Like, I thought Kai was talking to me. But then, like, there's a difference. You know how Yana talks? I'm gonna talk like Yana. Boy. But like, I wanna go there, bro.
stop.
Bro, can you go? Bro. But I'm just like, I'm just like when I get a creep, right?
I think she's still asleep. She also...
She's awake. Oh, that was...
3 a.m.
September, October, the time release
What is that? PVV.
girls.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
And they're, ano naman good? They're
Yeah. But yeah, you know, Kai was comparing her height to. It's so weird. Ay. Yeah, that's why. Kai was comparing her height to what? Kai was comparing her height to Niall, and she's like, bro, you're not 5'7". She thought she was Yedda. Crazy.
They all kind of look alike.
ganda ng
I was gonna show it noon.
What if a familiar place?
That's
Oh, no, mean. Never mind. I didn't bring clothes.
Same kayo?
Fixing you. Thank you. Pretty teeth.
Look.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Ikaw, yun ha? Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you. Good senor. Alright, let's get it going. Harry Beal. Sorry, nag-wig up. Bye. Wait. Look at me.
Dance! Festival queen!
Oh, sabi mo naman ako show ah. Si Kai was so, you know, like going to the breakfast buffet, Kai was so, like, lazy. Like, she wouldn't get up.
Because I said I don't want to eat.
I don't wanna eat.
Nakita niyo ng hotel yung
I know, right, Kai? It's okay, we're going out.
I need to poop.
Also me. No, where's the card?
Wala ko. Nawala ko.
We should end the live now. Bye, guys. Huh?
And when I'm
What's the money?
it's a filter.
Wait, how did I get the filter?
Bye-bye, y'all.
Look cute lagi.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye. Go, goodbye.
Bye.